analytics is very important for organization. Business intelligence is also very important, deeper insights of their data, and to help business analysts to help us to make the decision processes.
The best way to organize data are databases. So in this lecture we will talk about different models of organized data in databases, because we are familiarized with the relational databases, but now with big data we have new requirements, new things to deal, to cope with, and we also will talk about non-relational database like Mongo or others.
Using it, students face complex problems related with sustainability, social issues like suicide or gentrification. And well, using their individual knowledge, they generate collective wisdom, and using that collective wisdom, they generate operational solutions, which are, well, basically which have the shape of a startup or an NGO or a research project.